Hi, thank you for participating in this usability test today. My name is Ahmed Mal, and I will be guiding you through a few questions to get your thoughts on using the menu log application. Your feedback is really valuable in helping us improve the app usability. You will have to complete a few tasks in
Sure.
the menu log app. These tasks included searching for a reference, applying a coupon code, and completing a checkout process. We want to understand how you interacted with the app, any issues you faced, and how we can make it easier and more efficient to use. Your responses will be kept confidential and used only for the purpose of improving the app. There are no right or wrong answers, and we are looking for your honest feedback. So my first question is,
Hmm.
how would you describe your first impression for the menu log app?
Okay, first of all, thank you, Ahmed. But my first impression was that the app is clean and simple, but a bit plain. I expected it to be more visually engaging. Navigation was okay, but I did get confused by, the search filters.
Okay, so in the first task, you were asked to search for a restaurant. How easy or difficult was it to find what you were looking for? Did you face any difficulties
Uh,
with search filters or narrowing down your result?
well, I was able to find the restaurant I wanted fairly quickly, but I think the search filters need a better explanation. Because I wasn't sure how to use them properly, which made me waste some of my time because I had trouble narrowing down my options with the filters.
Okay, got it. Okay, so my next question is, in task two, you were asked to apply a promo code. Did you encounter any challenges with this task?
Yes, the coupon part was very frustrating because I tried using the food 10 promo code, but it didn't work. I think the code might have expired, but it wasn't clear at all. That made me checkout process feel slower and more complicated than it needed to be. It should have been clear and straightforward.
Okay, thank you. In the final task, you had to complete a checkout process. Was there anything confusing or difficult during this step?
Well, checkout was fine, except for the coupon issue. I nearly missed the address input, which could be problematic if I wasn't paying attention. I would suggest having a reminder for mandatory fields like the address, because we have to make sure the address is correct.
Okay. So do you think that the app is easy to use, and how would you rate the overall use?
Um, the app is relatively easy to navigate, but the filters could be more better. I would also appreciate a more guidance on instruction for the first time user because they just started in.
Okay. Were there any specific error or frustration you encountered?
So the only and the biggest frustration was the promo code issue. I would have like clearer error messages explaining me why the code didn't work and what was the problem and what was going on. There was no feedback on what went wrong.
Okay, so some tasks took longer than others. Were there any specific areas where you felt the task could be completed more quickly?
Well, I guess task three took longer because of the promo code problem. Without that issue, the task could have been quicker, but it took me around like more than 2 minutes, which was pretty long for a checkout task. This should have been straightforward and quicker.
Okay. So on a scale of from 1 to 5, how would you rate your overall satisfaction with using the app and why?
Well, I would rate it 2 out of 5. It works, but I face too many small, bumps like the coupon issue. Honestly speaking, the app could be much smoother with clearer feedbacks and better search filters. A lot can be done.
Okay. So is there anything else you would like to share about your experience with the Menulog app?
That's it. I guess everything should be straightforward, smooth, and easy to go through. This is why, at the first place, we use such applications. So it's to make our life easier. So that's it. It should be easier, more smoother. That's all.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time and valuable feedback today. Your input will help us make the Menulog app better and more efficient to use.
You're welcome.